Here we will see how to execute a crystal report with C#. There are two ways for executing crystal report with C# window application. First is displaying the crystal report with crystal report viewer controls report source property, and another is running crystal report programmatically with crystal report viewer control. For displaying crystal report with its report source property, add a new form and drag the crystal report viewer control on the form. Select crystal report viewer report source property and then select the report name which you want to display and run the application. To run the crystal report programmatically, add a form in your project, drag the crystal report viewer control on the form and set the reference to crystal_decisions.crystalreports.engine, and on the form load event write the following code. First, create the object for report document with report document CRYPT equal to new report document. Then with CRYPT load the report, then refresh the CRYPT object and set the crystal report viewer report source property to CRYPT, and then show the crystal report viewer control and then execute the form. Here we will see how to execute a crystal report. For this, first we will add a form. And I will name it FRM report source. That is, I am going to execute crystal report with its report source property. To execute a report, we will add a crystal report viewer on the form. You can drag and drop the crystal report viewer on the control, or you can double click on it. It will add a crystal report viewer control on the form. Through property window, set the report source property to the report that you want to execute. I will select the report. To execute, press F5. The report is added here. You can move to the next page from here. From here you can go to last page. From here you can go to first page. To go particular page, you can mention here. It will go to page number 7. To search specific number, click here. I will give the number, or you can give here string also. It will move to the string that you have mentioned here. When we use the report source property, for each and every report you have to add a new form. To solve this problem, you can execute the crystal report programmatically, so that with one crystal report here you can execute multiple reports by specifying the conditions. For this, I will add a new form. I will add a new form. I will add a crystal report viewer control, and in coding window, first I will set the reference to the crystal report decision. So using crystal decisions dot crystal reports dot engine, I will set the reference to this, and on form load event I will call the report. For this, I will set the report document CRYPT equal to new report document. Then I will load the report in our CRYPT If you know the path, specify here, or you can drag the report from Solution Explorer. Give it in double quote. Then set Crystal Report Viewer 1 dot report source equal to CRYPT. Then refresh the Crystal Report Viewer. And then set Crystal Report Viewer 1 dot show. To execute, I will set it as a startup form and I will execute it. It will execute the report programmatically.